I'm going to share with you guys where I get my supplies for my crochet business living here in South Africa. Before I start spewing out names left and right, I just want to put a disclaimer on this video. In no way, shape or form am I being compensated or paid for any of these businesses named in this video. The only one that I do have a conversation with is the Wool Shop, where I have a affiliate link. But once you use my code, you get a discount and I get a little bit of a commission from that order, and there's no extra cost to you around that. So that's the only thing that I do have. The rest of the video is a non-paid. Nobody asked me to make this video. Nobody asked me to mention them in this video. This is truly just where I get my supplies and I want to share it with you. With that out of the way, let's start. So first off, the yarn. The yarn I get from the Wool Shop. I sometimes do order from Factory Wool Shop as well, and sometimes from UK Bazaar. My crochet hooks I also order from the Wool Shop. My stuffing I sometimes do order from the Wool Shop if I'm placing an order and they do have stock, but otherwise I do buy in bulk from our upholstery shop here in my town. I'm sure if you do Google upholstery or upholstery suppliers that you would maybe find someone near you. They do sell upholstery, like the stuffing that goes into the pillows. They do sell it by bulk sometimes if they are open to the public to sell, of course. But yeah, that is where I get my stuffing. Then a big one, glitter eyes especially. So when I do order in bulk, like I order a huge amount, I do go to Temu. So I order my eyes mainly from Temu. But if I'm stuck, maybe I need a certain size, a certain color, I do order them from Bernice here in South Africa. Her business name is Bits of Everything. She also sells these eyes at a very affordable price. The black eyes I also order from Temu mostly, but I also order from Pretoria North Wool Center. They also sell these eyes in bulk. I'm just going to throw this in here because I get a lot of questions about this as well, so it's in this video if you want to watch it. Hook sizes for what yarn. The first yarn that I use is the Kismet Petite. It's a double knit yarn. I use a 2.5mm to a 3mm for that yarn. And then I use the Kismet Plush. That is a chunky yarn, a 6-weight yarn, and I use a 3.5 to a 4mm for that yarn. Then I use the Kismet Viva. That is a bulky yarn, and I use a 5.5mm for that yarn. So for the questions of what hook size do I use for the yarn, so there you go. Now you have my list of hook sizes that I use with my yarn. Next section is my packaging. Where do I get all the packaging for sending off my orders? Poly mailers I do get from Temu sometimes if I do order there, and then I also get them locally in South Africa from Bubble